Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony if you are new here, and today's video is a very exciting video, but I am doing my empty house tour. So clearly we have moved, and I know I haven't updated you guys on what's been going on, but I'll definitely catch you guys up to speed in a future video. But just wanted to start off by showing you our new home. So we actually moved from an apartment to a house, and this space right here is the living room and the kitchen area, and also the dining room as well. So I'm just showing you guys what it looks as soon as you walk in the front door. So we also have a side door as well in the kitchen area, and I'll show you guys that a little bit later. But I'm just going to walk you through all the spaces within the house, and I'm excited to show you guys all the different things that we're going to be doing to this space, all the decorating, the cleaning, and I'm going to make sure to take you guys along. So the space that I was just standing at is that door right there. So that's pretty much, you can walk into the house that way. We also have a garage door and then the patio door as well. And so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the downstairs, and then we'll make our way upstairs. And so straight ahead, I'm going to show you guys our closet. I guess this is intended to be like a storage closet or a coat closet, or like where we could keep all of our cleaning supplies. We haven't quite figured out what we're going to use this space for, but it's really nice that it wraps around, and so it can definitely be used as storage space. So the next space I'm going to take you guys into would be like our guest area, which we really like because they also have like their own bathroom as well. So we are going to head in there next. But so to the left is the guest area, and then like I said, straight ahead is the bathroom. So in here, we're going to add the guest bed that we had in the guest bedroom at the apartment. And then it also has, of course, a closet space as well. But we're solely going to use this just for guests. So one thing that I definitely have on my to-do list this year is to get better at hosting and having people over at the house. I just felt like when we lived in an apartment or the previous house before, I just felt like we didn't have the space. And so when people were over at the house, I just felt like it was very claustrophobic and things like that. So I definitely am looking forward to hosting a lot more in this home. But this is a bathroom that the guests would use, and very lucky to have a 2 vanity sink. So the next space we're going to go into is the kitchen. One of my favorite spots in the entire house is definitely the kitchen. Of course, it's the heart of the home where most things happen anyway. So if you know what our apartment looked like, you definitely know that we tripled in cabinet space. So that's going to be exciting, trying to figure out and organize and do all those things in regards to the cabinets. But on the left side, I definitely want to do like a little coffee bar area as well. But straight ahead is the pantry to the left, and then the garage. I'll show you guys that a little bit later. But next, we're going to go ahead in the laundry room. One thing I definitely love is that it has a window, so it brings a lot of natural light in the laundry room. We also have a sink as well, so that's exciting to have. But the next space we're going to go into is the bedroom. So this is the master bedroom, and we have the bathroom and the closet straight ahead as well. So definitely excited to decorate this space. And then for the bathroom, we have the double vanity sink. Right beside that, we do have like the linen closet. One thing I'm really excited about is that the toilet is separate from the bathroom, which is something that you don't think you need, but until you have it. So you definitely appreciate something like that. But now we are in the master closet. We have a walk-in closet, so we have one side that I'll use, and then of course the other side Lee will use. In the apartment, we had 2 separate closets, so I would use the guest closet. So I'm excited to actually have a closet that is linked to the bathroom. So that is definitely something I'm excited about. But here is the linen closet. We're going to do like a hamper at the bottom, and then all the towels and stuff at the top. So now I'm going to take you guys to show you the pantry. Something very simple, nothing to it, honestly. We're just transferring the baskets that we had in the apartment to here. So I'm assuming it's sort of about the same size, but we might be downsizing a little bit with the pantry. But we have, like I said, triple the amount of cabinet space, so it's definitely gonna, you know, be okay, or work out in our favor, I guess I should say. But this is like the little mud room area, so I guess we don't necessarily have a mud room, but more like a space. And I'm definitely gonna love putting like Eleni's book bag and things like that in that space. And then here is our 2-car garage, and we have like a little bit of storage space on the other side as well. So definitely looking forward to this space. And then outside of the garage, we do have like a driveway as well where we can fit 2 additional cars. So this is how it looks when you walk in from the garage, just to show you a different view. So next we're going to go up to the upstairs. So this will be where Eleni's room is. We have a loft area, and then we also have a game room is what we're calling it, so an extra bedroom. And we're going to use this like as a game room slash I'm going to use it as like my office space as well. But Eleni was debating on using this room or the opposite room that I'm going to show you guys, but she decided on the other room just because it is a lot bigger. So, but like I said, we're going to make this a guest room, and then we're going to have like a little hockey table and stuff in here for our guests as well. So we're excited to decorate this space. But in the middle, between Eleni's room and this room, is the loft. And so for the loft, we're going to add a TV, and then it's going to mainly be Eleni's and Lee's like little game space as well, to where they can play games or watch movies, or, you know, it's going to be like a little movie area for like when the kids come over and stuff like that. But this is Eleni's space. Honestly, she has such a great entrance. I told her, I said she is one lucky child to have a room this big. But so we'll set up, you know, of course, her bed, TV, all that good stuff. But her closet is straight ahead to the left, and to the right is like where the HVAC and stuff goes. But we also have like a lot of storage space in there, so we're gonna put like all of the Christmas stuff and things like that in that space. So we're excited to have a lot of storage space. I think that is the main thing that I'm so excited about, is the storage space. So this is what the inside of her closet looks like. We did double it in space in regards to her closet. So we are going to, you know, place all of her clothes and also all of her shoes, and she has quite a few totes in there as well. The next space we're going to walk to is the patio. So I just show you a quick glimpse, and the lighting is not the best when we got here, so I am sorry about that. But we do have a screened in patio that we absolutely love. I'm so ready for spring and summer to enjoy this space. But one thing we did challenge ourselves with is not to buy any new furniture, and to be content and happy with the amount of items that we have now. So I'm excited to challenge myself to do that. But I also want to give you guys a reference that this house is 2,500 square feet. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home, just in case you wanted to reference it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so excited for all the new content that'll be coming your way. My next video is I did a clean with me, so that'll be coming out on Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.